So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is David, and I want us to address the issues to do with AI. So there have been issues with students writing papers and then they get flagged off because of AI issues. If you're writing your dissertation, if you're writing your normal classwork, and then you have your work flagged off. Now, before we start, there is something that I want you to understand. It is always good to understand the tools that your school uses to check the AI, because there's no need of you checking a paper using different tools and your school just uses a single tool. Let me give you let me tell you something. If you for example check the AI using a tool called Turnitin, and then you check the same file using a different tool, you might find that the percentage of the AI detected in those two different files, in those two different tools, are very different. Reason is because that different AI tools uses different algorithm to detect that. Now, if your school uses a given specific tool, also make sure that you use that particular tool to check your work. Otherwise, if you go ahead and use a very different tool in doing that, you'll be running into trouble. Um, I want us to check a paper here. This is a paper that was sent to me by a student. So if you check this paper, it seems like it is in APA 7th edition, although there are some editing that have not been done with respect to formatting. But this is clearly APA. So if I look at this paper, even just reading the content in it, it is clear that it has so many AI issues. There are some patterns that you detect in various papers, and you're able to tell that if a paper has been written with AI tools or it is human written. So that aside, so I ran this paper through Turnitin, and this is the report that I got. So the paper shows that it is 61% detected as AI. Sorry for that. So if I scroll downwards, you can see that the abstract has a very good AI percentage on it. And then if you scroll to the other sections of the paper, you can see that there are some other areas that have been highlighted, including an entire section being flagged off as AI. I took my time, tried to edit this particular file even without the use of AI, because understanding the algorithm of AI is the first thing that is very critical in helping you address all the AI issues in your paper. So I went through this particular paper, I did my own editing, and then I checked the paper on Turnitin. So this is the report that I got from Turnitin. This is the new AI report. So as you can see from this, it has 0% of it detected as AI, meaning that every other content in this paper has now been accepted as humanly written. So if you check at this particular point, you can see that it is zero AI generated, and then there is no even a single part of this AI, of this particular paper, that was paraphrased to remove the issues of the AI. So the secret here is to understand what your school uses, and the next thing, understand the algorithm of that particular system or that particular tool. If you understand the algorithm of that particular tool that your school uses, it becomes very easy for you to make sure you write your paper well in a way that it will not be flagged off as AI written paper. I hope you're good in that.